This is the Air Abrasives room where we have elaborate tools for preparing fossils and minerals. Let's go inside. These are blast cabinets that you see where we put our fossils or minerals in them and clean them with powdered abrasive blown at high velocity through a small nozzle, or we use a micro jackhammer. Let me show you. This is a micro jackhammer. It vibrates at about 10,000 oscillations per second, and it chisels rock just fine. And we have a micro sandblaster to go along with that. This one blows out powdered abrasive. We usually use dolomite, and we can produce a really delicate finish. This is the Swan Blaster, which we use to produce the powdered abrasive going out at high velocity. It's a chamber on the top left, top right on your screen, and it has powdered abrasive in that steel container, and we blow air through it, and it comes out on that little nozzle over there. Just for amusement, let me show you. This is our storage area for fossils, which we use in our school kits, also in paleo classes. And we have lots and lots of really neat things. Let me show you a couple other neat things that we have. Really big ammonite, actually two. And these bizarre fossils, which are shrimp burrows. They come from Arkansas. And there's another fossil, not a fossil, this is a mineral. This is, in the center, a halite impressions in sandstone. So we have very many good things for paleo work.